I'm an alien. Here's a taser. Yeah, I'm shell. Yeah, whole lot of shell. I'm an alien.
Austrian need it, I bleed it. Geeking off a Birkin, bitch, I'm feeling like a demon. Bitch, I came in, drifting on the pavement. Pass me the stainless, a mask off faceless. Fuck it up, bitches fuck with me like a double cup. Pouring up, pull up to the scene with a double dutch. Buckle up, racing on the street. Austrian need it.
I'm gonna ask this dude to play Tampa. Let's see what he says. Tampa by CeeSo Shot. It's just called Tampa. Bruh.
Alright, all these squatted trucks gonna be in Tona, right? I'm gonna do this different. You heard? Ha! Nah, I'm just playing. Y'all know me better. She always laid back no matter what happened to the bed. Alright, all these...
They got drugs in this. It say 85% lean. I'm in drugs. They got drugs in this. It's how does this?
I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and going out of bed.
Turn it to this.
Cut my life into pieces. This is my last resort. Suffocate.
How does this?
So this is me after my first day working with Mexicans. This is me on dos days working with Mexicans. Siete días trabajo mexicanos. I now have a gold chain and only drink Corona. 30 días trabajando con mexicanos. Somebody yelled amigra at work this morning and I fucking turned into a track star, baby. Shit's getting real. So this is me after my...
Check this out.
Look at how she walk. She walk to me.
Check this out.
No big, I feel like Pac. I shoot a shot. I'm coming in hot. No big.
There's one thing you can expect from me, and that's the unexpected. 'Cause I'm an international super spy. There's one thing you
Better to have a short life that is full of what you like doing than a long life spent in a miserable way. Better to...
Yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah, 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 hey.
Alright, this is a moment of truth. We got my truck on his U-Haul trailer. Y'all think she about to go. She big now. Where y'all think she gonna go? And we got a 2021 Tahoe pulling it. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but we're gonna see. That's the front lift kit, and I got the rear, so y'all hop off me. Alright, this...
Yo, my wife tries to say that I make stupid purchases.
You do.
Please tell me one thing in this house that I've purchased that is stupid.
How about that bench right there that looks like a pecker?
So first of all, it's called a ball bench. And you see, what I do is, I take my giblet jacuzzi, and I pop it down in there like that. See, now, when I'm teabagging my giblet jacuzzi and sticking my meat nuggets in there, the giblet jacuzzi can't slide nowhere. This is not a stupid purchase. Yo,
What the hell is that sound? Yo! Yo, what are you doing in my truck?
Yo, bro. Fuck with some diesel.
What the...
3 in the morning in Daytona. These boys lit cheese. In the morning in Daytona, these boys lit cheese.
Hey, roll your window up a little bit. Rev her up! Hey, roll your window up a little bit. Rev her up, brother! Roll it all the way up.
Hey, bruh, so I'm just chilling here, right? And guess who I'm chilling with? The hardest frontier on TikTok. That's right. I'll add him too. The hardest frontier on TikTok. What? And it's packed full. Hey, bruh, so
I can't leave the crib unless I know I got the glamour. Get her with that hammer, if I don't, she throw a tantrum. Gon' bend it over, make it clap, it's your anthem. Run up on me, you gon' levitate like a phantom. Keep knocking at that door, little nigga, you gon' get an answer. Goddamn, little bitch on that cool, like Montana. I'm on hygiene codeine, I'ma flow like a phantom. Baby, need some protein, work out like a dancer. I got all the hoes in the snow, just like Santa. And we keep the sticks in the smoke, who on cancer? Knocking at that door, little nigga, you gon' get out.